my name is Ikram Ali, and I'm a teacher by profession. I'm a government employee. I teach chemistry subject in high school. And as far as my location is concerned, so I am from Pakistan.
Okay. So you want to introduce myself?
Go ahead.
Okay. My name is Shreya Khandakar Gure. I am studying in 6th standard in Narayana Techno School. I belong to India, state Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar district, Aurangabad. Now, first time I was living in a rural area, but for education purpose, I have go to district Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar in a city. Now summer vacation is going on, so I came again to my village area, rural area, and my hobbies are playing, cycling, and reading books, playing cricket.
And that's your nice introduction that for vacation, for enjoying vacation, you came back to your home, village,
Yes,
right? So,
yes,
brother, you are in standard, right?
yes. I am in 6th standard.
Okay. So, did you take your exam? Are you
Yes,
going in the
yes,
seventh
yes.
standard?
Yes, my exams are done, and
Mhm.
I also get good marks in exam.
Okay. So, what is your grade? What grade did you get?
Yes, I get A plus.
Oh, wow, that's great. That's great.
Yes.
So, brother, as you said, actually, I didn't understand from which state do you belong?
Yes, can you repeat?
I'm asking from which state do you belong?
State. I'm from India, and the state is uh, Maharashtra.
Okay, so are you living in Mumbai?
No, I'm not living in Mumbai. I'm living in Maharashtra district, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, Aurangabad.
Okay, okay, great, great. So, brother, as you are in home, you are in your village. So, what do you do
Yes.
whole day?
I have whole day. Now I'm having any fever. That's why doctor says to stay on home only. But when I was not having fever, that time I am having a timetable. In that there was free time, and that time I'm doing sessions, these classes with other strangers people, like that. And now I'm having fever. That's why whole day I'm free because I don't go to play. I didn't play anything whole day. I only practice English. Yes,
Okay, so sorry
yes.
to hear that you are in fever. I wish you that you get speedy recovery very soon. So, brother, how long have you been learning English and how long have you been speaking in English?
Okay. When I was in first standard, that time my father's dream is to become a that I can speak in English. So my father said me that you can speak in English. That time my father bring me all gadgets that I want to learn English, or device or internet, 5G internet, and bring me one coach. From them I can learn English. From first standard, I am learning English.
So it has been 6 years you are learning English.
Yes, it is a success.
Okay, and what about the speaking? From first standard you are speaking as well, or you have started speaking at a later stage?
I have started speaking from when I was in first standard.
Oh, wow, that's great. So, what were you conversing at that time? Were you
Yes,
speaking?
could you
Mhm.
repeat? Could you repeat?
Yeah, I'm asking that at first standards, what were you asking? What were your replies? Were you just asking, give me water, give me pen, right? These kind of small sentences?
Yes, you are right. When I
Mhm.
was a beginner, that time there was one board. On that board, that coach is teaching us. From that, they will give us some. They will make our grammar perfect. Then they will give us sentences. From that, we will practice learning English. Yes.
Okay, great, great. So, did you also join any coaching center? Did you also take any tuition regarding
Yes.
English speaking or English
Yes.
learning?
Yes, first time I have taken and I was take a tuition, but now I am not having any tuition because my school timing is 7 to 5 o'clock. That's it.
Okay. And what do you do after coming back from school?
I do my school homework first, then I go to 1 hour for playing. Then I study. Then I practice this. Yes, talking to any people on Skype. Yes.
Okay. So do you do cycling every day? As you said
Yes.
that it is a hobby.
Yes. Sometimes I play cricket or cycling. Yes.
Okay. So these two are your hobbies, right?
Yes. These two are my hobbies. And you are from Pakistan. So from which state you are?
Actually, in Pakistan, there are no states like India. In India, we call it state. In Pakistan, we call provinces. And my province is Sindh. Have you heard about Sindh?
Oh.
It
Yes.
is near. It is near to Gujarat and Rajasthan.
Okay. Okay. So you are from. Okay. You are having any YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have just started. It has been 2 months, and I have uploaded 27 videos on my YouTube channel so
Okay.
far. So it is
Oh.
growing, and yeah, it's going very well.
Okay. Okay, I'm also running a YouTube channel. I have started 1 month ago it in April. Now it is growing also 24 subscribers. So I will send you link or can I tell you a name after the video I will send you link and if you love please subscribe.
Yeah, I will do it. I will definitely do it.
Okay.
So, brother, can you please tell me what about your family? How many family members are living in your family?
There are 8 members in my family. My two elder sisters, grandparents, and grandparents and parents, and one my father's sister. Yes.
Okay, and what about your parents? What do they do?
My mother is a housewife, and my father is a businessman.
Okay, okay.
So you
Mhm.
practice with your cousins or siblings?
No, no, actually, in my home, there is no any person with whom I can speak in English language. They are
Okay.
not good at English language. So this is the only platform through which I can communicate with you guys and
Okay.
to improve my communication skills and build up my confidence in English language. Because I think this is the only platform through which I can communicate and I can excel my communication skills.
Yes. When you started your English journey?
It has been 8 months. I have started speaking. Actually, I was learning from my sixth standard or five standard, but I was just learning it. I was just memorizing it, but I was not good at speaking. It has been only 8 months. I have started speaking. What am I? What am I speaking with you? And how am I speaking with you? It is all because of the result
So you
of
are
7
speaking very well, and you are yes. So you are having any job, or you completed your dream, or you have any goals?
No, actually, as I have said you in my introduction, that I'm a teacher, I'm a government teacher. I'm teaching kids. I'm
Okay.
teaching ninth and 10th grade students.
Okay. Which subject you teach?
I teach chemistry.
Chemistry. Okay. What topic your students love the most in chemistry?
What topic do I like the most?
No, no. What topic does your students love the most?
No, actually, it depends from student to student. Some students are very good at organic chemistry, some students are very good at inorganic chemistry, some students are very good at basic chemistry. So it is all because of their
Okay,
passion and
you teach chemistry. So in the school, you teach chemistry. So in the school there are some chemistry labs also.
yeah, there are two chemistry labs. Every subject has different labs as well. So we take practical. We take practicals in those labs.
Okay. Okay. So you are from Pakistan. What is the most famous in Pakistan?
In terms of what?
Yes. Okay. So there are some monuments in Pakistan.
Yeah, there are many monuments. If you are a history person, then you will. There are plenty of places that will attract you to visit these all historical places, and
Okay.
there are mountains, there are historical places, there are deserts. So actually, Pakistan is not a city; it is a country like India, but India is a very big country, right?
Yes.
So Pakistan is not that much big, but yeah, it is a country, brother. There are rivers, there are lakes, there are thousands of cities. Every city has some specialties.
Okay. Yes. You are living in Pakistan. So which is the famous dish in Pakistan?
Biryani is very famous, brother, in Pakistan. Every nook and corner, in every nook and corner, you will find the biryani stall, like in India. So biryani is very famous and popular in every age of people. If they are
Okay.
kid, they also like biryani. If they are adult, they also like biryani. If they are aged one, they
Okay.
are also like
What is the
biryani.
what is the okay? What is the temperature going on in Pakistan now? There is summer, so
What is that?
temperature going on weather.
Okay, okay. So, brother, actually, weather also varies from place to place. There are some regions in Pakistan. They are very cold. Okay, still in June and July, the temperature is minus, and
So
there are also some regions in Pakistan in which the temperature rises to 45 degrees centigrade. So it depends from
okay,
place to place.
okay. Pakistan also have developed.
Yeah,
Okay,
it is.
what new?
It's not
What?
developed. I can't say you that it is a developed, but it is developing country.
Okay. So what new features you have seen now?
What teachers do I have
What features you have seen now?
in Pakistan?
Yes.
Actually, Pakistan future is very good and it is very motivating and fascinating. In 20 or 30 years ahead, there will be another image of Pakistan. So it is developing. It will take some time, but it is developing country, brother.
Okay. I am visible.
Yeah, you are totally visible and audible. You are crystal clear.
Okay. So they are developing. So in Pakistan, there are some robots, AI features.
Yeah, brother, in universities, there are many robotics institutes in Pakistan, and in schools, actually, there is no such AI. But we have a AI on Google, on WhatsApp, Meta, right? But in university, there are many departments which are only associated with the robotics or artificial intelligence. So, brother, you have asked me so many questions. Now it is my turn to ask some questions for you.
Okay, you can ask.
Okay. So, do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables.
Are you vegetarian?
Yes, I'm pure vegetarian.
Oh, wow, that's great. So, which vegetable do you like the most?
Yes,
And why?
could you repeat?
What vegetable do you like the most and why?
I like the most is uh yes, I like the most is potato
And why?
because it is good, it is starchy and also spicy.
Okay, so that's why you like the most
Yes,
potatoes?
yes.
Oh, thank you so much, brother. for giving
Yes.
me your precious time. So
Okay.
thank you so
Thank.
much.
Yes. Bye. Bye.
Thank you.
Yes. Have a nice day.